Ask me questions. I wanted that your man ask me questions. Serious. Use your phone to answer that you put up what she will make money.
Cool, Elisa. Yeah, it's been a hectic day. Siamo qua per aiutare la nonna che la casa sua c'era baiocco di fango, poi oggi 27 domenica maggio 2023 abbiamo fatto fino adesso, siamo stati bravi. Questo, le garage sono stati pieni tutto, siamo riusciti fino sotto, c'è tanta roba. Cosa sta succedendo qua oggi? Mi puoi dire qualcosa? Cosa è successo?
Oggi abbiamo sgomberato quasi tutta la cantina.
Ok.
È stato faticoso,
Sì.
ma siamo arrivati quasi in fondo.
Ok.
Bello.
Grazie. E le altri ragazzi?
Bravissimi.
Chi sono?
C'è il mitico Prince.
Poi?
Poi ci sono tanti ragazzi che vengono da un sacco di posti diversi.
Sono dei volontari? Ok. Wow. Ok. Bene. Ok, grazie Lisa. What's your name and how do you feel doing this job today?
Yeah, my name is Chike. Yeah,
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Okay. How do you feel doing this job today?
Yeah, actually, I'm very, very much happy to see Italians working as a team, uniting in one accord in order to achieve greatness.
Okay.
That is love. That is love. That is love.
Okay.
I really appreciate that, and that is why I have to be here to join that team to go for a greater height.
What do you mean you're working with a team as a voluntary team or as a worker? What can you say about that?
Actually, I'm doing it for free.
Okay.
Just for free.
Voluntary.
Voluntary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's see one or two.
Hi everyone.
Yeah. What is your name and how do you feel doing this job?
Satisfaction.
Yeah.
Okay. But a little bit tired
Okay.
and dirty, as you can see.
Actually, what really happened? Why are people dirty today? What really happened? Cosa è successo? Perché siete sporchi?
Yeah, a river came out of his bed.
Okay. A flood.
And there's a lot of rain during this day, and so the river
Overflowed.
overflowed and
Filled up everywhere.
and in the house.
Okay.
So there's a lot of water everywhere, and all the houses were damaged.
Thank you very much. And what's the name?
Julia.
Julia. Thank you very much.
Good, fine, and helpful. Very helpful.
So, what message will you send to other people out there?
If someone have to have some free time or something else, they can come here and
Assist.
give a hand and help other people.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. I love that. unlike me,
Yeah.
see,
Uh-huh.
in Italy.
Yeah.
So that is why
Yeah.
I have to join this team to achieve this greatness. You know?
Yeah.
What a great team.
Mr. Paolo, what do you have to say? Cosa puoi dire oggi? Cosa è successo? Perché siete tutti sporchi così?
Good luck to everybody.
Ok.
Bye bye.
Perché siete sporchi? Cosa è successo?
È una bomba d'acqua. È
Arriva-
esplosa una bomba d'acqua con tanto fango.
Oh, ok.
Siamo andati a pulire il fango.
Ok.
Assolutamente.
Siete contenti di fare questo lavoro qui?
Tanto contenti.
Ok, thank you very much. Signore Andrea, what do you have to say? Cosa puoi dire a tutti?
This is a wonderful day.
A wonderful day. Ok, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
È uno con braccio lungo. La stessa te.
Io non ho il braccio lungo, il braccio lungo proprio è...
Vai col telefono.
Un'altra volta, l'ha fatto voi? No, l'ho appoggiato.
Accosciati da sinistra.
Mezzo.
Prego, prego. Ah, no. Si infila per così.
Guarda, sono la Roberto, aspetta.
Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip hip! Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on my channel. This is the Prince 997, and we'll continue to give you updates and on the situation on ground. And this is Faenza City. We are here to also assist those that are in need, those that the water destroyed their property, and all this region around. They're also suffering from the same plague, and also we adjourn you to keep watching our channel, and we'll keep you updated. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.